After getting here as a totally revamped vehicle for 2023, the Honda Pilot is anticipated to get here as a carryover model for the 2024 design year. We don't expect to see any type of significant modifications for the upcoming midsize SUV, which isn't a negative point as the redesign has actually made the SUV even more affordable in the sector. The redesign for 2023 saw the Honda Pilot embrace a much more high-end layout, though the midsize SUV remains to have a conventional appearance. The 2024 Pilot ought to share the same overall style as the current Pilot that gets on sale. The front end of the SUV has a square grille, rectangle-shaped front lights that are connected by a trim item, and angular aspects under of the front fascia. The boxy layout of the Pilot continues to the back where the SUV has an upright rear end, round tail lights, and also a level back bumper. The interior design of the existing Pilot has a simple, straightforward layout that should go unmodified for 2024. The Pilot has a basic dashboard with a central touchscreen that sits on top of the dash, square air vents, as well as huge physical controls for the AC system. The family-friendly SUV uses seating for up to 8 as conventional, while a detachable center second row seat in the Touring and also Elite drops seating to 7. When it pertains to tech features, Honda supplies the Pilot with a conventional 7-inch touchscreen, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, Apple CarPlay, Android Vehicle, Bluetooth, and also 7 audio speakers. Offered functions consist of a 9-inch touchscreen, a 10.2-inch electronic tool cluster, a wireless charging pad, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and also 12 audio speakers. These features need to continue to be used on the 2024 Pilot. Under the hood, the 2024 Honda Pilot is expected to find with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that's located in the current design. The V6 is rated at 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. The engine is coupled with a 10-speed transmission. Front-wheel drive is common as well as all-wheel drive is offered. The Honda Sensing suite of innovative safety and security functions is basic on every Pilot. The collection consists of adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, ahead collision caution, traffic indication acknowledgement, traffic aid, lane separation warning, and also lane keeping assist. Available features consist of dead spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert. We expect these safety and security features to continue to be readily available on the 2024 Pilot.